We're making yellow rice, fresh ginger root, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of curry leaves, 4 cups of water. We're gonna put in the ingredients.
You don't use ghee or butter or oil or anything like that?
This is
Healthy.
we're gonna stir it and we're gonna cook it. Actually, we need half a cup of coconut milk, thick coconut milk. Half a cup of thick coconut milk too. We're not gonna use that right now.
Rice looks good.
This is our rice, our
Actually,
yellow
it's
rice.
Yellowish rice, huh?
But to this video, it looks maybe I don't know.
Light yellow.
Yeah.
Our rice has been cooking for 20 minutes. We included the coconut milk, half a cup of coconut milk. It cooked in low heat for 20 minutes more, and our yellow rice is ready.
No butter or ghee, huh?
Just coconut milk only.
Thank you.